Here's the water reservoir for our hydroponic system. Contained in it is a submersible pump to pump the water up through a manifold to our different tubes in the system. These valves control the pressure going through each tube. There's also a backfeed valve to relieve the pressure so the water is recycled down into our 55-gallon barrel. Now the purpose of this is twofold for the backfeed valve. One, it aerates the water, it forces oxygen into air pockets in the water. It also circulates the water to stir up our pre-manufactured nutrient mix so sediment does not collect at the bottom.
As water is pumped up from our 55-gallon drum, it runs to our first parallel set of reactors. It goes to the top and flows along this bioreactor all the way down to the bottom one back here. This one flows back and into the reactor. Meanwhile, a second valve pumps water up and goes to our second set of bioreactor system, or series as we call it. It goes through, comes to this one, then it goes around, comes back to this one, and flows down this long pipe back into the water. Nutrients and water flows through each of the systems equally. The little pellets that we have placed the plants inside help the plants absorb the nutrients by, they have holes in them that when the water and oxygen passes through from the reactor along with the nutrients, it flows into the plant. Meanwhile, waste leaves the plant through the pellets into the water and back into the drum. When the drum mixes up all the water, all the waste gets mixed into it, and eventually we'll dump the water out and replace it with new, fresh water.